I'm wearing the same shirt, does that matter? Good. What's up, everybody? I am hopping in, about to make a really quick and easy recipe, seafood stuffed bell peppers. It's something that is just so delicious. First, I'm gonna start by getting my bell peppers into my hot boiling water. You just wanna get them soft really quick. Just push them down. Because it's seafood, you want these to pre-cook, par cook. Take them out of the boiling water, and that way, so when you go to bake them, that seafood can just worry about crusting. It doesn't have to worry about actually cooking the bell pepper through. So we cook it through, semi-cook it through now. And I'm gonna cook them right onto a cast iron pan. So while that's boiling down, I'm gonna get some butter. I'm gonna get my veggies in here. I got garlic, onion, celery, bell. We got butter and a little bit of olive oil. I've got some good old-fashioned Italian breadcrumbs. I'm just gonna drop at the bottom there. Got me some Old Bay, a little gumbo filet, a little bit of red chili flakes in there. And then for my herbs, I have some dried basil, some dried oregano, smoked salt. Gonna get some lemon. Gotta have lemon with seafood. So I'm gonna start putting those in there. I like mine pretty soft, but still with a little bite. I've got half a pound of hot Italian sausage. I'm just gonna brown that. And you know, I'm putting my spin on it. This is a classic New Orleans dish. A lot of people love this dish. Just want that to brown. All right, now, got my seafood, my crab, and my shrimp. And this is gonna literally cook for 2 seconds. You just pretty much wanna give it a few stirs, combine everything, taste it, salt it up, season it up, and get it in those peppers. I'm gonna chop a little bit of parsley. And a little bit more chili. And this flame is going off. And we're gonna start filling our peppers. See how meaty and luscious? And I like to overstuff it because once that bakes down, everything marries into pockets. And something that most people won't tell you is Parmesan on the top of this, so it'll mold everything in. Folks in New Orleans use Parmesan cheese with seafood a lot, but I have eaten them before from some people that I really respect who make them homemade, and I just know there's parm. And then I'm gonna get these in the oven on 350 until the top is nice and crusted. Oh, wow. Yes. That is it. Oh, wow. This smells how I remember it smelling. And now, folks, I gotta try to remember what I was saying because our mics died. Look at that crab and shrimp. Delicious, y'all. It happens. All that seafood. Check us next time. I'm gonna go eat this, y'all. Amazing. Check you later. Whew, that was good.